Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to convert MOV to MP4. So simply you just open your VLC media player and provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. Press on to media, click on to convert. Press on to plus option, you just select to MOV file. Tap on and you just select, press on to open. Okay, alright, now I'm select this file, press on to convert. Then you get this interface. Go to profile section, press on to select MP4. Okay, and press on to settings, make sure to select to keep original audio track. Press on save and select the download location, press on to browser and just select the download location. Press on start and easily convert MOV to MP4. So that's it.